Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone for having me. I hope you're doing fine. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Dewi Hikmah Nurisda. I'm from Physics Education. I'm the first author of this paper, and I'm going to present our news article titled Situation Analysis of Mathematical Physics Learning with Online Learning During the COVID-19 Pandemic. So, let's get started. There are 4 points in my presentation: the background, method, result and discussion, and conclusion. The background, the scope of research. There are two, theoretical rationality and empirical rationality. Theoretical rationality. Physics is a subject that is rooted in knowledge, and the laws of physics are always expressed in the form of mathematical equations. Second, mathematical physics is a calculation course that is usually taught directly, explained on the board step by step. The empirical rationality. The first, in early 2020, a new virus known as COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 2019 hit the world through its spread in humans. The second, COVID-19 outbreak spread in a speedy period to various countries. The third, the spread of the COVID-19 outbreak had a negative impact on daily life, threatening human health, physical, mental health, social development, the economy, and education. The fourth, to overcome the spread of the epidemic, the government closed the crowd, including school. School closure resulted in change to the learning process. In Indonesia, learning is done online. There are a divergence or a difference between theoretical rationality and empirical rationality. And we can give a solution with two analyses. How to do the situation analysis of mathematical physics learning with online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. Our method. Types of research is qualitative research. The participants are the first 21 students in physics education. The second, there are 2 lectures in physics education. Data collection technique. There are 2 data for collection technique. The first, interview and filling out a questionnaire. For interview, we can use WhatsApp or WA group, Zoom, and Google Meet application. For filling out a questionnaire, we can use Google Form application. For data analysis technique, there are 3. The first, reduction data, data display, and verification or conclusion drawing. Reduction data is research sharpen and focus the data. Data display displays data that has been focused in the form of narration. Verification on conclusion drawing is there are new findings derived from data that has been reduced and displayed. Research and discussion from our study. Of the several online learning applications that are used, several applications that are suitable for learning mathematics physics online. Set on the opinion on students and lecture of mathematical physics, the form can be seen in the following diagram. The suitable online application applied to the learning of mathematical physics during the COVID-19 pandemic. Some applications have 0% and then Edmodo have the 14%. Google Meet application have the 24%. Google Classroom have the 38%. WA group have a 14% and email have the 10%. Set on the response of physical education students at the Universitas Muhammadiyah Makassar. The first, learning mathematics physics online using Google Classroom and Edmodo is more efficient in using internet data. The second, students find it difficult to understand mathematical physics during online learning. For students who are in the area, the unstable internet network often disrupts the online learning process. The fourth, students lack concentration in participating in online learning because of other activities compared to face-to-face learning in the classroom. The fifth, students who have low learning motivation sometimes do not care about the text and will be left behind by their friends. Set on the response of mathematics physics lecture at the Universitas Muhammadiyah Makassar. The first, learning mathematics physics during the COVID-19 pandemic begins with the use of the Google Meet application. However, not all students can attend lecture due to limited cost or internet quota and unstable internet network condition. And then, mathematical physics lecture have difficulty in explaining calculation and deriving formula. Usually, the lecture waits on the board before the COVID-19 pandemic. The third, not all students can be present on time when studying online. The fourth, lecture prefer learning mathematics physics that take place in class compared to learning on. The conclusion from my study set on the results of interview and questionnaire about the situation of learning mathematics physics during the COVID-19 pandemic conducted online, it can be concluded that the case of learning mathematics online during the COVID-19 epidemic is less effective. Lecturers have difficulty in delivering mathematical physics material that has many calculations and formula mathematics. Students have difficulty in understanding the material. Limited student fee for buying internet quota. Also unstable internet network. That would the end of my presentation. Thank you. Billahi taufik fisabilil haq, fastabikul khairat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.